I'm going to show you how to make Korean-style beef sauté on hot plates. Start by marinating 1 pound of tenderloin beef. Remove the nerves and cut it into 1/4 inch thick pieces. Put them in a mixing bowl. Chop 4 cloves of garlic. Put them with the beef. Grate a piece of ginger to get 1 teaspoon. Also put it in the marinade. Add half a chopped kiwi. Kiwi contains enzymes that tenderize meat very quickly, as do nashi pears, apples, and pineapples. Also add 1 teaspoon of gochujang chili paste, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of ground pepper, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Mix well. Be careful not to let the meat marinate for more than 30 minutes, as the enzymes from the kiwi will make the meat too soft. Meanwhile, cut into chunks 2 onions, 1 sweet pepper or hot chili, half pound of scapes. They provide a crunch and the mild garlic flavor. You can also use chive leaves or spring onions. Cut them into sections. Heat the pan over high heat. When it is hot, add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, add the vegetables, the onion, the pepper, the scapes, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Stir for 2 minutes. Keep aside. Heat the pan again over high heat. Also heat the hot plates over low-medium heat. It is optional. Without it, the recipe will be just as delicious. When the pan is very hot, add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, add the marinated beef pieces. Spread them out and let them sear for 20 seconds. Flip them over and leave for another 20 seconds. Then stir for 20 seconds. Add the vegetables and stir for 1 minute. Cut the fire. Place the hot plate on its base and put the Korean stir-fry beef on it. The plate offers a spectacular presentation and keeps the dish hot during the meal. Sprinkle with toasted sesame seeds. Enjoy it with kimchi and short-grain rice. Bon appétit! The pieces of meat are tender. The vegetables are still crunchy. In the dish, we enjoy the typical flavors of Korean cuisine: garlic, ginger, gochujang, sesame, and sweet and sour. Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.